Balthazar, 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 Balthazar.
One day in Professor Balthazar's town, everything went wrong for Tommy's dad. The devil take it. Down with this pile of toys. Down with getting up early and rushing round. I've had it. Down with everything. Goodbye. I look almost like Dad. Tom's dad was an animal doctor. Tommy was so sorry and to his father's job decided to his place. First, there was Abdullah the camel, who had one of its humps in the wrong place. Archie the bear was gloomy. He was almost constantly depressed. He would try to amuse himself with something, but he quickly lost interest. Tommy examined him. It was a pretty complex case, but here was something that might arouse Archie's interest. Willie the tiger was so frightened of mice that it took a double-sized injection to bring back his courage. Then there was Stanley the crocodile, who was allergic to grandmothers. Or Coco the elephant, whose poor trunk was stopped up. But the most difficult case was that of Mickey the lion. He was suffering from a terrible rumbling in his stomach. Tom had an idea. All the zookeepers ran off in panic, fearing the worst. Tom's father had changed his mind and returned home, but he couldn't find his son. Distracted with worry, he ran about searching for him. After seeing his instruments and Tommy's things next to Mickey the lion, he was thunderstruck, and he fainted. The zookeepers immediately sent for help. With all the excitement, Professor Balthazar could hardly figure out what had happened. Then he thought, and thought, and thought, and... invented a special X-ray machine with which to examine Mickey's stomach. And then everyone went back to the zoo. But Mickey, completely blissful, ate the ice cream which Tom had brought because that was the real remedy for Mickey's stomach trouble. And so everything turned out fine. From then on, Tommy's father always took Tommy to work with him each and every morning. And examining the animals with the help of Professor Balthazar's X-ray machine was a real joy.